Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another makeup video for you guys, and today's another Valentine's Day look since we still have time for Valentine's Day. I decided to do more of a glammed look. A lot of you guys were requesting that as well, and you guys wanted me to do it like an olive green makeup look. I saw your comments, I saw your messages. I decided to do that today, and like I said, I'm no pro makeup artist or whatever. I am self-taught, so I'm still learning. I feel like I was better years ago and I just lost my talent with makeup just because I became a mom, and that was like the last thing on my mind, to do new looks or play around with makeup. It's been years since I played around with makeup. But yeah, so I don't want my intros to be too long. If you guys are new here, please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you. I upload every Monday now. I'm having a schedule for myself and I think it's working out for me. I feel like I have more time to figure out what videos to make for you guys and plan it out and enjoy it, other than feeling pressured and like I have to film like 2-3 videos a week, or like right after I upload one I have to get it going for the next one. And I don't want it to be like that because I started my channel as, you know, as a hobby, and I wanted to do this and play around with makeup and just have fun. Like I'm just sitting with a group of girls and just like chit-chatting with you guys and just doing our makeup, having a good time, you know. So I'm trying to get back into that, doing it in that way. But yeah, let's get started. And also, I already put my brows on because those take forever. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please do so. I'm always talking about everything on there, you know, mom life, my girls, me, everything, makeup, hair, you name it. And I also talked about my eyebrows. I'm thinking of getting them microbladed. Some people are recommending me to do the ombre powder look, which those look beautiful. So I'm just like debating between, you know, microblading and all of that. If you guys want to talk more about that, go follow me on my Instagram and social medias and all of that. But yeah, I put those on because they take forever, like I said. So those are ready. And then I also put concealer on because your girl is breaking out. I missed my period and it's not coming, and I don't know what's going on. My hormones are going crazy. My ovaries are freaking hurting. I'm bloated and I don't know what's going on. And no, I'm not pregnant. I'm going to say that again. A lot of people are always telling me, you're pregnant, you're pregnant, you're pregnant. I'm not. Throwing that out there, I'm not pregnant. So I had to cover those up because I'm gonna start off with my eyes first, and I don't want you guys to like get distracted with my acne because it's all over the place. Eyes first, let's conceal them. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm always using this, so this video is not gonna be like a tutorial. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup, a get ready with me style. So I'm gonna just mention you guys what I'm using and then speed it up so it's not as long, because I don't really like long videos, but I'm trying to do different types, you know, for those that do love long ones or for those that don't, you know, so you guys can have a little bit of everything.
I'm sorry, my love, I have to put the clothes in the dryer.
Okay, now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and then I'm gonna set my eyes with this, and then after that I have to like babysit Jade for a little bit, so I'll be right back. Yes, you can be with me. Everyone be with mommy. She's already 14 months, you guys. Oh my god. She's getting so big. She's running around, opening doors. Are the lights too bright? Say hi. Okay, we're back. I don't have a lot of greens in one palette, so I had to grab a few, but I try to like minimize it so I don't use so many different palettes. But, oh no, these are the same. So let me put this one back. So I'm still like trying to like see what kind of look exactly I'm going for. I'm just winging it. So hopefully it comes out good. But first things first, I'm gonna add a transition color. It's not gonna be all green, so I'm gonna go in with some flesh tone eyeshadow shades. So I'm gonna mix it with this one and this one right here, or maybe just this one actually. This is the Nude Mood eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, and everything that I'm using I will put it down below as always, so if I forget to mention something then it'll be down there in the description box. Jamie's gonna come in. Hi mama. Okay, so I'm gonna just use a fluffy brush and then go in with the shade Bare to Wear. Okay, so I added a little bit of that just to give me some color. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade, what shade is that? AU Naturel, but this shade right here. Okay, so I am done with that. Now I'm gonna go in with a more dense brush. I'm going like fluffy to more dense because I went with this fluffy one first and then this one. The darker I go, and then now I'm gonna use this one right here. Now I'm gonna go in with the dark brown shade right here called Moody. I'm like wiping it because it's so dirty, but just a little bit. Yes, you could say hi, Mama. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say love you guys.
Love you guys.
Okay, I brought you guys a little closer so you guys could see. So I'm just finishing up adding the dark brown in the outer corners and then fading it inwards. I don't think I've ever done anything this bold. I'm just like going with it. I gotta push myself. Now I'm gonna go in with the other brush that I was using and whatever that's left on the brush, just blend it out. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Then I'm gonna use the green that's in here called Top Secret. This one right here. It's like a very deep olive green. So let's see if this brush works. I don't know. My eyelids with eyeshadows, especially colored ones or like dark ones, I feel like whatever brush I use and I put it on my lids, it just falls off. Like it doesn't stay. It doesn't grab it very well. So any makeup artist, pro makeup artist, let me know what I'm doing wrong because I don't even know. You see, I'm still learning. Hopefully this brush works. If not, I'm gonna change it up. But let's see. Okay, I'm gonna grab a little bit and work my way up. I'm just gonna place this all over my lids. Okay, I'm gonna stop like right there. I don't want to go to the inner corner just because my eyes, if I go all dark, my eyes just look so weird. I don't know if it's because of the shape of my eyes. I don't know, but I always have to put something light in the inner corners just to bring it back to life and more bright. I'm gonna just stop like right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the same brush I used for the dark brown and add a little bit of the dark brown just to blend it all together. But do you see what I mean? Just by blending the brown, the green came right off. So I'm gonna try to pack it on with my finger just so it could melt into there. I just don't know what's up with my lids. That just popped the green on a lot better. Like it shows a different green. I'm telling you, your fingers are your makeup brushes. Like they're the best tools to use. Oh yes, yes, and that blended out nicely. Like I don't have to go in with the brush anymore. Now I'm gonna go in, hopefully it doesn't mess it up. I forgot to tell you what I'm using, but this is the Butter London eyeshadow palette. I got it from my BoxyCharm because they're amazing. And then I'm using the green in here. Look how beautiful these colors are. I fell in love with these three. But I'm using this green right here. It's like a shimmery light green, olive green. The shade is called Star. And then this will be like close to my inner corners, not too much because I'm still gonna use a light shade just to brighten up that area. So just very little on top of the other green. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but that blended very nicely with the other green. Like it's not just too dark. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow palette because these eyeshadows just melt so nicely. So I'm gonna do another look with this palette for sure. If you guys wanted to go more glammed and like for the nighttime to add more of a pop, you guys could go in with like a shimmer green. Maybe like something like this. This is from Dose of Colors with the collab with Jazzy and Katie. There's an olive shimmery like foiled eyeshadow right here and it's so gorgeous, but I don't want to add that on top just because it looks very nice and simple just like this. But if you do want to add more of that, you know, bright and bold and shimmery look, then you could definitely add that on top, but I'm not going to do so on this video. Now with the other palette that I used earlier, I'm going to go in with the lightest shade in this one called Bluffin', so I could brighten up the inner corners. Just like that. Bam! You see? Like that just brings the whole look out. It's so hard to do with my nails. I'm trying to get in there and it's like it's not working with me. We're getting there. We're getting somewhere. Now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna clean it up a bit just because I did have some fallout. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with these lashes that I got from Amazon. I believe I mentioned this on my last video. I was gonna use the other lashes that I used on that video, which were these, and I mentioned these are only like $5 on Amazon. I'll link them down below, but they're amazing. But I want to switch it up for this look, and these are more separated and more bold. Not bold, I should say, but they're a little bit longer. They're separated, thicker, and I just want to try it out something different for this look, just so you could see the green. I feel like the other ones are so full and bold that it blocks the green. Let's see how these work out. So let me go and pop that on. I'm gonna add a little bit of my liquid eyeliner on the top because I feel like lashes stick better when you have eyeliner. Okay, I'm back. This freaking took decades. Freaking lashes were hard to pop on. This is how it looks. They're okay. I feel like it's gonna take me some time to get used to. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. As I mentioned in the beginning, I already concealed my face with the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And then now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Foundation, in the Dewy one, in shade Cream Beige. I'm going to speed now my face part up just because I do the same thing every single time. If I switch it up, then I'll mention it to you guys and talk to you guys. But I'm going to speed this part up and then come back when everything is done. And then probably show you guys what I use for my lips.
You could never love another damn. Las pequeñas más comprendo que llegó tu tiempo.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my lips. I'm back with my face on. I'm gonna go in with the lip liner Sweetheart by Morphe. On my previous video, I thought it was from MAC, but it was actually from Morphe. So my bad, they just look the same, and it was pretty small already, so I couldn't even tell. It just looks like MAC, but it's from Morphe and Sweetheart.
What guys?
What guys?
Did you say 3 times?
Okay, now that I put the lip liner on, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop lipstick in Buttercream, my favorite. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did, because I thought it was gonna come out a little scary, but it's still bold, but not too bold. You could wear it even in the daytime. But there's the olive green. I'm in love with it, and I think I'm gonna do this for Valentine's Day actually, because it's so beautiful. Actually brings out brown eyes, so if you have brown eyes, it's gonna be gorgeous. So let me know if you guys like this look in the comments below, and also don't forget to follow on all my social medias. It'll be right here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my get ready with me's. I am back. My camera keeps stopping, I don't know why, but let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to play with more color. Whatever you guys would like, let me know, and then I'll for sure do those for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video.